Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My November 2022 Love From Lizi kit just arrived and it's so much fun. The theme is Cozy Christmas. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's black, white, red, ivory, and green. The pattern paper this month is 6 by 6 inches in size. There are 24 single-sided sheets, and this is an exclusive Love From Lizi kit. I love the traditional Christmas colors along with a little bit of pink and brown. There are a couple of sheets that have the look of glitter, but there's no glitter at all. The paper is nice and smooth. We have ornaments, gnomes, there's several tone-on-tone patterns. A couple of them have the look of a linen finish, but again, all of the paper is nice and smooth. There's some fun Christmas trees, beautiful pink glitter looking design. There's a couple that have the look of a brick wall. We have some skates, beautiful floral design. This is a lovely pink and green ombre. And the final sheet is a beautiful green marble design. Next up is a sheet of sentiment stickers. Lots of great sentiments, and the colors coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. With all the pattern paper that's included in the kit, it's nice to have a sheet of sentiment stickers. The stamp set this month is all about sentiments. There are 7 sentiments included. We have Let It Snow, Winter Blessings, Joy to the World, Happy Holidays, Holiday Cheer, Season's Greetings, and Winter Wishes and Snowflake Kisses. There is a coordinating ephemera pack, and I will open that up so you can see everything that's included at the end of this video. There's a brand new peel-off color. This is the pinstripe style in apricot, and it has the gold foiling on the edge. There's a sheet of acetate stickers, mostly in the shape of presents. There's a couple other little images as well, and all of those images are created with small glitter dots. Next we have a fun little embellishment bag with lots and lots of wooden pieces, and also 3 red velvet bows that are pre-tied. I'm not great at tying bows, so it's always nice to have pre-tied bows to add to my cards. For wooden pieces, we have 3 plain mittens and 3 red mittens. There's also 3 plain stockings and 3 red stockings. And then the final image, we have 3 red gingerbread men. For the plain pieces, you can use as is, or you can decorate them with markers, paint, embossing powder, or any other medium. There are several ribbons included in the kit. Here's a beautiful gold ribbon, and you do receive 1 meter. Then there are 2 candy stripe ribbons. One is white and gold, and the other is red and white. And there are also 3 twine colors. We have gold, red, and green, and you'll receive 1 meter each of all of those. The sequins this month are gorgeous. They're all holographic. So you have gold, red, and green. And this is a sample size bag. If you want more, you can always purchase a full-size bag of sequins. The final items included in the kit are the die sets, and there are 3 different images. Lots of tiny dies, so do be careful when you're opening your bag. The first die set creates a little gingerbread man. So you have the body, the face. There's a die for the little squiggly frosting areas, and also the buttons. And I didn't show it, but there's also a tiny bow for the gingerbread man. It's sitting in my hand between my fingers, and I didn't notice until I stopped recording. The next die set creates a mince pie. Sorry, I went off screen just a little bit there. And then the final die set, you can create some Christmas pudding. Now, I have never had Christmas pudding before, but I've heard it's really good. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's November 2022 card kit. And I did receive some add-ons. First up is a stamp set called Hello Winter. We have some great Christmas and winter sentiments. There are 2 peel-off bundle packs this month. The set on the right is the variety pack. We have gold moon dust stars, brown mirror in the straight, mint moon dust in the pinstripe, and white with gold overlay in the straight. The set on the left is the pinstripe, and they all have the gold overlay. We have racing green mirror, mink, brown, and ruby red. And there's also a pearlescent cardstock bundle this month. There are 5 sheets included. We have pink, blue, brown, gold, and red. And here's a look at all the ephemera pieces that are included. I love that they're sentiments and also icons. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's November 2022 card kit. The theme is Cozy Christmas. If you are interested in any of the items I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.